It's even more beautiful in person.
One day, that will be ours.
Look at this.
We can finally get the classic red Mustang.
Yes! And maybe a convertible for me.
This is finally our moment to get the car we've always wanted.
I can't wait to see it up close.
And this model comes standard.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how I created this stunning cinematic video using just one powerful AI tool, Filmora. From high-quality visuals and immersive background music to perfectly synced sound effects and seamless editing, everything was created and polished entirely within Filmora. Let's dive in and break down the complete process step by step so you can create cinematic videos just like this. I have provided all the relevant links in the description so you can check them out there. Once you visit the website, you will see an interface like this. First, click on the Get Started for Free button to download and install the Filmora software. Once the installation process is complete, open Filmora, and you will see an interface like this, where all of Filmora's AI tools are available in one place. To begin the video creation process, click on New Project. A new interface will open. From the top menu, select Stock Media, and then click on AI Media. Here you will find several AI tools, including Video Inspiration, Image to Video, Text to Video, Video Extend, and AI Image Creation. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a highly engaging marketing advertisement using the Image to Video tool. The concept is a couple purchasing their dream car. For this project, I have already created 6 cinematic AI images using Nano Banana Pro. First, upload your image in the designated box. I will upload the first image, where the couple is standing outside the showroom, admiring the car. Next, describe what you want to see in the video. For example, I will describe the couple, the showroom environment, and the car details. Under the AI video model options, you can choose from several powerful AI models. I will select VO 3.1 and then click the Generate button.
It's even more
Within
beautiful in
seconds,
person.
the video will be ready. As you can see, the video is generated in excellent quality with realistic visuals and voice. I will now add this video to the timeline. Next, I will use the AI Extend feature to extend the video while maintaining character consistency. To do this, click on the small icon and select the AI Extend feature. Then describe the changes you would like to make. For example, I will write, add slow motion and zoom out camera effects. After clicking the Generate button, the extended video will be created. As you can see, the results are impressive and the consistency is excellent. I will also add this extended clip to the timeline. You can further enhance your video by applying filters. There are many filters available. To make the video more engaging, you can also experiment with different effects. Additionally, you can add transitions between clips. Filmora offers a variety of high-quality transitions. I will use the dissolve transition and apply it to the beginning and end of the clip. The transition has been successfully applied. This is how you can add transitions to your video. Now, I will play the video so you can see the result. As you can see, the transition is perfectly applied. Now, I will create the second clip using the second image. Gradually, this will develop into a compelling marketing advertisement with an engaging storyline. After uploading the second image, describe the scene as you want it to appear in the video. For example, next day they won a lottery ticket in their hands, and a large stack of dollar bills is placed in front of them. Click the Generate button, and shortly the video will be ready.
Look at this.
We can finally get the classic red Mustang.
Yes! And maybe a convertible for me.
This video also features realistic visuals and natural emotions. I will add it to the timeline. Next, I will use the remaining 4 images to create the final clips and show you the complete result. As you can see, all the clips are now ready. Let me play the final video for you.
It's even more beautiful in person.
One day, that will be ours.
Look at this.
We can finally get the classic red Mustang.
Yes. And maybe a convertible for me.
This is finally our moment to get the car we've always wanted.
I can't wait to see it up close.
And this model comes standard with the premium leather interior and the enhanced navigation package.
Oh, wow.
The results are outstanding. The voice, visuals, and camera movements come together to create a perfectly cinematic advertisement. You can also notice realistic human emotions, making it ideal for a car marketing campaign. Now for the final touch, I will add subtitles to the video. Go to the title section and select Dynamic Caption. Keep all the settings as they are. There is no need to change anything. The software will automatically detect the language and generate captions. Simply click the Generate button, and within seconds, the subtitles will be ready. As you can see, the voice has been detected accurately, and subtitles have been added. I will play the video again so you can see how much more engaging it looks with captions. Finally, it's time to export the video. Click on the Export button. From the format settings, you can export the video in various formats such as MP4, WMV, AVI, MOV, and 3GP. I will select MP4. I will keep all settings at default and set the quality to high, then click the Export button. Here is the final output.
It's even more beautiful in person.
One day, that will be ours.
Look at this.
We can finally get the classic red Mustang.
Yes. And maybe a convertible for me.
This is finally our moment to get the car we've always wanted.
I can't wait to see it up close.
And this model comes standard with the premium leather interior and the enhanced navigation package.
Oh, wow, honey, look at the stitching. It's perfect.
It really is incredible. We'll take it. It's all yours. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I can't believe it's finally ours.
Look at that sunset. It's beautiful. This is the best drive of my life.
Now you can also use Filmora to create stunning cinematic videos like this. You'll find the Filmora link in the description. Click the link to download Filmora for free and get started today. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more amazing AI tool tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.